Good morning, traders. My name is Gerald from Trading Waves. Welcome to today's short video. And in today's short video, I'm going to just show you how powerful the wave theory is insofar as market pathway is concerned, right? So we have a couple of charts here. I'll start with this Audi New Zealand chart here. We're going to focus only on Audi New Zealand, but I'm going to start with this particular chart here, which is the weekly chart, which was printed on October 10th, 2021, almost a year ago. We are within, or have always been within this corrective structure here. At some stage, at that point, we actually had parity between Audi and New Zealand, where Audi and New Zealand were exactly one to one. One Australian dollar was exactly one New Zealand dollar at this point here, which was in October, not October, but it was sometime in 2020. Now, what we expected was that from this low, we would get a 1, 2, 3. As we have had a three-way and then a 1, 2, 3, then we're expecting this last 1, 2, 3 higher to reach this level before we can see a move to the downside. Right? That's what we expected from this low. The price here was 1.05447 as at October 10th, 2021. And then what happened thereafter was, if you look at the daily chart, from 1.05, we moved about 200 pips higher. So we were about here and we on this daily chart. Let's just quickly go back to it. On this weekly chart, 1.05. And on this one, we are on 1.07. I hope you guys can see that. We were expecting more upside, right? And where are we expecting this to end? When price is pretty much close to that level there, close to 1.15. That's where we expect the move within Y to terminate. It's Y in blue there to terminate, right? That's what we expected. If you check the 4-hourly chart that I was just trying to show you here, this was a move from the low here, then correcting, then we expected more upside. I'm going to show you all these on a live chart, just how successful this has been. So from weekly, we expected upside. Then on a daily, the upside started and obviously it doesn't move in a straight line. It'll go up and then it'll retrace and then continue higher. Now, on the live chart itself, let's go to the daily first and see where we are. Remember the picture that I'd shown you on the daily, that we were expecting that from this low here, we trade higher until about this level. So that we complete this corrective structure as in line with the, or in line with the daily, not the daily, but the weekly forecast. Let's just look at the forecast on the weekly. This is what we're expecting. This is the weekly forecast for price to trade higher until it reaches about that area there or that level there before we see a move to the downside. What do we see now on the live chart as of today, about a year later? Is it not the exact same thing? It looks to me like it is. So we may already have our C there and our Y in blue completed, and therefore our B in white completed, which means that this corrective structure is indeed complete as expected. And what have we been doing all along? Because this is very important. If you understand that a market or an instrument such as this is in a corrective phase, and what you're looking for is a move up, it helps you a lot because you know that whatever happens, you do not look to sell, but you look for buy opportunities because what you're expecting is that in line with Elliott wave sequence, this should go higher until here. How else it helps you is that you know that when it reaches this level, no matter what happens, you do not buy anymore. You're looking for shorts. And that's how Elliott wave theory helps you in making sure that you understand what is happening in the market, and it then influences your bias, what positions to look for, short or long positions or not. And all of that is encapsulated in our full course, pretty much in our full course. That's where we teach all these on how to arrive at a path for any instrument in the market. It doesn't matter which instrument it is, as long as you've got the guidelines that which we use, you will arrive at a path. So I've, in summary, given you guys a path going forward of Audi New Zealand. In case you didn't capture it, I'll give it to you again for free. Remember, we had expected a move higher from here to complete this. So if this is A and that is B, then what is expected? Exactly C, lower, not C that way, which means from here on, one would not be looking for long positions, but rather short positions. Pretty much, that's the GPS which one is given or provided with when using the wave theory. That said, I'd like to end the video by hoping that you guys will enjoy watching this video, and by also hoping that we'll be welcoming some of you, not most of you, on board with the view to teaching you how exactly to use the wave theory to arrive at conclusions such as these ones. Cheers.